Did you know castor oil in its raw form is actually poisonous? But when processed, it becomes one of the most healing oils in the world. Let's uncover its secrets and how to use it the right way. Today we will talk about how you can make castor oil results 10 times more effective. Not only for the face, but also for other parts of the body. This oil is at least 4,000 years old. It has even been found in the tombs of ancient Egypt, and it has been used for thousands of years in traditional Chinese medicine as well as ancient Greek medicine. But keep in mind, in its raw state it is quite poisonous. However, when it is processed into oil form, the toxic elements are removed, and that's when it becomes beneficial for you. It is one of the thickest oils in the world. It contains a unique component that is not found in any other plant in the world. Its name is ricinoleic acid, a natural chemical. How does it work? For example, if you have a mark on your face, it can help fade it. It reduces wrinkles, hydrates the skin, and softens dry skin. Castor oil is so powerful that it can penetrate all 3 layers of the skin. Sometimes, it can even dissolve internal lumps in the body. The biggest mistake people make with castor oil is that they don't use it regularly. They apply it once and expect magic to happen, but it doesn't work that way. If you want to see real results, you must use it consistently, at least 3 times a week, for 30 days straight. That's when you'll notice a difference. And remember, you don't need a lot. Just take a small amount, massage it onto the face or body, and you'll see skin moisture return and hydration improve. Just like a good moisturizer, it deeply hydrates the skin. Another great benefit of castor oil is that if you apply it to your eyelashes or eyebrows, it not only boosts their growth but also makes them thicker. It is also effective for skin tags or warts. And if you add garlic and iodine along with it, the effect becomes even better. Iodine reduces estrogen in the body, and excess estrogen is one of the major causes of skin problems. That's why iodine is an excellent treatment. Some people also use castor oil for dry eyes. If you have tartar on your teeth, regular use of castor oil can even help remove it. Similarly, castor oil packs are used for liver problems or arthritis. People apply it to different parts of the body, especially on the abdomen over the liver to promote bile flow because it absorbs very well through the skin. It can also be applied over the uterus in case of cysts, or on the breasts. Using it with magnesium oil is also very beneficial. If you suffer from back pain or arthritis, apply it at night before sleeping on the knees, feet, hands, or shoulders. It relaxes the body and helps you sleep deeply. Another small skin hack is that if you want to take your skin to the next level, dip your face in ice water and then apply castor oil. This combination works like magic. Additionally, if you practice intermittent fasting, such as fasting for 48 or 72 hours, your body will cleanse itself of dead cells, toxins, and old cells. This triggers an internal repair process. But remember, all of this also depends on your diet. If you have scars, stretch marks, or old wound marks on your body, castor oil can also be applied there. Over time, you'll notice visible improvement. It is also excellent for hair growth. Just massage a small amount onto the scalp. It is great for dandruff and dry scalp because it has antimicrobial properties. For hair, I recommend Jamaican Black Castor Oil, which is available at any good health store. And this last point is very important. If you are pregnant, remember that taking castor oil can trigger early labor. Therefore, never use it during pregnancy, especially if it is not yet time for delivery. On that note, if you haven't seen my part 1 video on castor oil, be sure to check it out. I hope this information will be beneficial for you. See you in the next video. Goodbye.